Hi, today I'm unboxing the latest Cardfight Vanguard English DZ-BT01 Fated Clash. Right, the boxes are sponsored by Ronin Cards. If you're looking for any singles for English Vanguard, do look for them. The link will be at the comment section at the bottom. Alright, so this booster is, other than the Bank Dream add-on, is exactly the same as the Japanese version. So we have all 6 nations right now, and also the rarity, and we have additional special features here. Right, so the highest rarity should be the secret, followed by, there's the dress secret rare, and also FFR. Right, so packaging is almost the same as the Japanese version. Right, so we have the advertisement for Bushinavi. So if you have not downloaded it, you need to download it for events in the future. Vanguard Day, the new events for shops, and also advertisement for their mobile games. Right, so each box comes with a box topper. It should be the same as the Japanese one, which is the over trigger for Bank Dream set. Oh, and there's 2 additional promo. We have Spino Marquis and also the Lyrical Shooting Star special issue. And this is a very fun Dino Dragon deck. Well, this is a compulsory card that you need to play in Kyoka. Right, so we do have additional promo. Right, so just like Japanese version, we have Akina as the cover on the booster with Razel. Right, I believe the content should be almost the same. Right, so these are create elemental triggers. 1 Bank Dream card will replace a common card. This is a rare. And we start off with a double R, Aerial Sage. Very important grade 1 for Razel deck. Right, bonds between human and dragon. This is a very useful list order that you should take note of for Dragon Empire play. Oh, so we start off with the reprint. We have the reprint over trigger. This is Idol's Pharaoh, which was very expensive previously. Right, so thanks to the reprint, the price is slightly more affordable now. So there's 1 reprint over trigger per box. Rare, the new weapon for the product for the Wellstraw deck. And I believe this is a generic support for Dark States. Oops. You're still missing it. There's no Bank Dream card in this pack. Right, so we have the Daylight. Oh, we have sign for Futaba Tsukushi. Right, so this is the sign EX SP. Energy card, so and also Soyo, sorry, from the MyGo deck. New Sentinels, and I believe this is a support for the quick start deck. Also just, and as for the energy, right, with Akina. Right, if they follow the Japanese version, each box should have 1 of each type of energy. Second energy card We have Gabrielus, that talking stuffed toy. Support for Rizal. If there are other use for him. Toss one out. RFR versus Aerial Siege. You can see the the Keto Sentry Bordeaux and Sentinel. Right, BT01 is always the one set that you should look out for, because all the important cards like the OT, triggers, sentinels are normally reprinted here. You may feel that it's like overprinted at the start, but by like 2-3 months in the later you'll be looking for them. So two double R pack. Right, so BT01 is definitely something that it's worth investing in. Right, while the OTs and the sentinels are cheap. Oh, the fated one, Chris Rain. We have not opened any silver rare at the moment. The silver rare looks beautiful. Sentinel. This Rui. Oh, a second FR. Sunbathing Dragon. It's a generic striker support. Warrior's Rest is a very strong card for Keto. Oh, we have the Beleno family. This is also another interesting deck build for Stoichia that make use of Blitz Order. Right, so the basic gameplay will be having multiple Blitz Order played within one turn, which is normally impossible. And if you were to guard with the Blitz Order, you actually get to draw one. And also their restanding abilities, just from this booster itself, is already pretty stable. With BT02, it'll be a lot stronger. And we have the Psycho card for Keto, Divine Sister Biscotti. I believe cycle cards will end up like every other cycles, which the price will go up. Right, the Blitz Order allows you to play a second one this turn. Veleno. Oh, cycle card for Brangate. The new right line for Magnolia. Upgrade for Gridon. It's good that we have a lot of like generic support for the booster 1. So it's easy to pull new players. Right, support for the Meteorite deck. I think I see something shiny. Oh, we have Nanami. Oh, silver rare, Rainbow Blower. So for silver rare, the text box will be gone. The words will be in silver like this, with slight texture. Right, so this is silver rare. Alright, so we are done with the first box. Let's take a look at the result from the first box before I continue. So first we start off with the Bank Dream cards. So the Bank Dream foils. The Bank Dream foils we have 3 plus 1 for the foils. The triggers. The weird thing is we only have 4 out of 6 of the energy, maybe due to the addition of the Bank Dream set. For double R we have 6 copies, which is exactly the same as the Japanese version. 1 reprinted over trigger that took over one of the Bank Dream slot. 5 triple R with 2 cycler, which is pretty good. 2 FR, and last but not least 1 silver rare. Alright, let's go for the next box. This time around we will speed through. Alright, let's take a look at the PR pack first. If only the Japanese version had this kind of PR packs in the box topper. Most of the promos are in magazines, right, which is troublesome. Oh, Sergaon, and also Meteor, right, both very useful generic for both nation. Right, this may be a hit box. I mean, already hit sign just now, so alright, let's speed through this. Right, generic support for the quick start deck. If we were to get the Koro promo in the English version, this actually works with the new Inja. It's a 18k base monster, right? So satellite weapon. I actually miss the days where we have like 1 foil per pack. That was the first BT. Right, so the first reprint we get will be the Stoichia reprint. Alright, so the Bank Dream card actually get replaced by OTs. Abuelius. And this is the new archetype, Diafudor. It's actually very stable for both offense and defense. It needs some practices, but it's considered one of the cheaper deck to be formed. Oh, SR from the Veleno family. This is the Restender. Fragrant Bloom, another generic for Stoichia. Oh, and this is the Dancing Princess. Taizo. Blitzarm, Welshra. This time around is finally now. 2FR, another support for Griton, support for Chris Rain, Psycho card for Dark States, Vanguard, the new Overlord, support for both different build of Magnolia, Mikoto, FR for the Sentinel, and the Sentinel itself. Right, so for this box we have 2FR, 5RRR, 6RR, which is exactly the same, 1SR, one reprint of the Over Trigger, and also 3 foils from the Bang Dream set. Right, so that's all from the unboxing from BT01.